Hello clampers, Justin here from Domino Clamps again to make building things with shipping containers and attaching things to them safer, quicker and easier. So here we have the 2-hole bent bracket. Fairly straightforward, 2 holes for the M12 bolts to go onto the Domino clamp, 50 millimeters apart. It's 5 millimeters thick steel, offering a ledge here with a length of 110 millimeters. You can use this on its own or in pairs, positioning it with the bracket at either the top or the bottom of the Domino clamp. When positioned this way up, the top of the bracket lines up more or less with the top of the corner casting. It will depend a bit on whether you're using the stadium or shield holes on the top of your corner casting. The shield holes, it'll sit about 5 millimeters lower, and it will also depend on the tolerances of the corner casting itself. Once this is bolted to the Domino clamp, you'll be able to use it and these 2 remaining holes here to attach whatever else it is that you need to finish off your container project. If you're in the States, you might want to take this opportunity to switch over to imperial bolts and measurements. And if so, that'll be 1/2-inch bolts for these 2 holes here. Subscribe here on YouTube for more videos about how to make better use of your shipping containers using Domino clamps. Please follow us on the other socials as well. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, and we're on the platform formerly known as Twitter. And until next time, happy clamping.